All of us, we dream of flying. And this is why I fell in love with FPV as a hobby, because it's the next best thing to flying. FPV stands for first person view. A pilot puts on the goggles and then he experiences the world from the perspective of a drone. My name is Srdjan. I'm one of 3 co-founders and the CEO of Orqa. Vlatko, Ivan and I started the company in 2016, and the first product that we built were world's best FPV goggles. We never wanted to start a defense company. We started a company that catered to the world of drone enthusiasts. The world changed overnight. When the war in Ukraine started, some of our friends who were FPV pilots in their civilian lives joined the defense effort. Our hobby proved to be very useful in Ukraine. So at first we started transforming our products, our technologies to keep these guys alive, to keep them flying. And 3 years in, Orqa has a technology portfolio that's enabling a number of Western defense end users. I don't think that company like us back then would ever be allowed in a bank, let alone given a loan. And only recently we have started to see venture capital coming in. This is thanks to Croatia joining the EU. I don't think that we would have managed to build what we built have we not received venture capital. Osijek is actually a great place to live and a great place to build a global business. We really found that you don't need to be in Silicon Valley to find top talent. We found that it only takes giving a person a difficult problem and a space to solve it, and they can do amazing things.